Okay, so this is the mango flower. It's behind me. It smells good. It smells like flower. It's a little bit different than other flowers. I wouldn't say it's comparable to the flowers from, you know, sampaguita flower, ilang-ilang, whatever you call it. This is completely different scent. The mango flower is so distinct. Wow, it's almost sunset. So I'm gonna wait for the sun setting. Probably. I was originally planning to go to the beach, but my mom said it's high tide, so I might as well just wait for the sunset. Okay. Just gonna meditate.